hands warm. Tell me whenever you want to grab the rod.
Sure.
Okay, start
How
cranking.
many rods does it have?
Should have had
Get your glove on, get your glove on, get your glove on.
Put your glove on.
Look down the hole there.
Holy shit.
That's a monster.
Holy
Patty, you
shit.
gotta get that one out of there.
Yeah.
We gotta see that
You
sucker.
gotta get him up straight though.
He won't come up straight.
No, there he goes. He's got his head cocked.
Who's gonna grab him?
I'll grab him. Watch out. He's just so big he won't turn.
No.
You hold the rod, Patty?
There you
Oh my god.
There you go, Pat.
Want me to hold this?
You betcha.
He's gone. Back down the hole he went.
We got him beat. He's tired. Okay, you keep reeling it.
Fish.
Keep pressure on it. No, don't. Keep pressure on it.
You got him hooked pretty good.
I just want to take the hooks out of his yap.
You don't like the look of one of you guys.
Fuck, is this thing big? Do I grab the camera?
I got her. There you go, fire it up.
Keep reeling. Keep the tension on him.
You knew as soon as you hooked him, Pat?
Oh yeah. I thought we had a laker. We got a pretty serious fisherman here, I think, this trip.
Yes.
Pay attention when you're
Okay, no, don't reel anymore.
Oh, is he fucking big?
That's a big sucker.
Look at the girth on him, eh?
Holy crap.
My
We can
scales
get
in
his
my
head
bag.
turned, eh?
My scales in my
His
bag.
teeth keep hitting the ice. There we go.
There you go.
There you go. You got one chance. Now that's
I'm getting a
Now
picture.
that's a musky, lads.
no tank bottom.
Did you grab my camera out of the truck?
Oh, he's fishing the booty. That's nice.
Wow.
Razor, Patty.
Oh, I don't know. You got your tape measure, Davey?
It's in my bag. Want me to go grab it?
Yeah.
How big them got to be to keep?
I don't know. I wouldn't keep one of these devils.
No.
Too beautiful.
Zach, you gonna get in on the picture there?
We gotta be quick with this devil.
Zach, bud.